After 3 months in mini braids, it's finally take down time and the results are worth every minute. Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you are so welcome. Grab a seat, get comfortable because today I'm finally taking down my 3 months plus old mini braids. Yes, so I said 3 months plus. This is actually my first time carrying a protective hairstyle for this long, and honestly it's been such a beautiful experience. Now let's be honest, taking down old braids is not small job. It took me more than 2 weeks to completely lose everything. I just took it small every day. Some days I did sit down with my mirror, play a movie or listen to music and just take my time. You know that feeling when your hands are tired but your heart says, let's just finish one more section. That was me every day. But let me tell you, patience really pays off. And if you are wondering, yes, long-term protective hairstyle like these mini braids have so many benefits. They protect your ends from combing and manipulation. They give your scalp time to rest and recover. They help your hair retain length because you are not always touching or styling it. And when you keep moisturizing your scalp and your hair while it's in braids, you will be shocked at how soft and healthy your hair will feel afterwards. I always oil my scalp regularly and spray my DIY herbal sprays to keep my roots moisturized. Those little things really helped my hair stay strong and soft. My DIY oils and sprays truly paid off. They strengthened my strands, made my hair feel thicker, and promoted healthy growth all through the months. I noticed my hair has grown beautifully. You can literally see the new growth and how full it looks. That made me so happy. It's a moment like this that remind me that every drop of oil, every massage, every time I tied my bonnet before sleeping, it all paid off. And yes, I know some of you all ask, Joyce, how did you manage to keep it neat for 3 months? The secret is simple. Gentle hands, clean scalp, and good products. And let's not forget faith, patience, and a little bit of laziness because honestly, I was enjoying the fact that I didn't have to style my hair every week. be sharing how I detangle my hair after taking down long-term braids, so my hair doesn't break or get tangled. So make sure you stay tuned for that because it's going to be super helpful. So much for watching, my friends. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment, and of course subscribe if you haven't already. And please turn your post notification so you will know when I drop the next video. Take care of your beautiful hair, stay patient, stay kind to your strands, and remember, every little care you give your hair today will show in your growth tomorrow. You have got this. Bye.